So I wanted to make another terrible little quality video to show why I like multi-tap UNUNs, because the distributed inductance around the core allows me a lot of leniency within the band, and generally means I don't have to use the internal tuner on the radio at all, even at the 100 watt level. If my radio doesn't fold back on power, I'm not using the internal tuner, and I'll show why. When you have an I've set my radio up right now within the 20-meter band. I'm connected to the 20-meter desperation wire in my little Schmoe UNUN, okay? And I'm connected to it looks like the 49 tap right now. I can get a better standing wave ratio using another tap, but I chose this one to get a mismatch. I wanted a higher standing wave ratio. Hang on. To prove my point, okay? So right now, the tuner's off, as you'll see. I'm going to key the transceiver, and you'll see I've got a standing wave ratio of, and that, I bumped the camera. That's just, you see my S meter, that's just noise. That's not anybody. So I'll key the transceiver, and you'll see that I've got a standing wave ratio of 1.7, and the power is 100 watts, okay? Now I'm going to prove that I'm tuning the tuner for that wire. Okay, tuner engaged. I'll key the transceiver. Once again, I'll have 100 watts and a flat match, okay? But I don't know if anyone noticed what happened to my field strength. Take a look. I'm going to try to zoom you in a little. I don't know if I can get that and the transceiver. Yeah, okay. I'm going to turn it just so that you can see that the tuner is engaged. Stop that. I've got a battery charger going here. Okay. I try to get this thing to focus on the meter so it quits pumping in and out. Turn the tuner off. Look at the field strength meter. Right on 5. Full scale. There we go. Let's turn on the tuner and get rid of that nasty 1.7 to 1 standing wave ratio. We got a perfect match now. Now we've got real power, don't we? Except you lost power, right? You lost radiated power. I'm going to zoom in on that meter, and you're just going to have to take my word for it. Tuner off. Tuner on. Tuner off. Tuner on. What do you know? Using the internal tuner cost me radiated power. All right, I'm gonna, you know what, man? If I have to, I'll unplug that battery charger. So there you go. Draw your own conclusions. I've drawn mine. I'm using a multi-tap UNUN, and I'll choose the tap that gives me a nice, happy little standing wave ratio. And I never have a standing wave SWR as high as 1.7 or 1.8 to 1. Well, but that's because I like to play my little alligator test lead game. Well, you know, man, you do what you gotta do, man, but I'm not using my tuner. 73.